In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Patreon account. We'll walk through the process from a fresh browser window to your first successful sign-in, keeping everything simple, safe, and clear. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Patreon and press enter. Before you click anything, take a second to confirm you're going to the official site. You should see a result that clearly shows Patreon.com. Checking the URL helps you avoid lookalike pages and keeps your account secure. Click the official Patreon result to open the home page. Once you're there, look for the option that says Log In or Sign Up, usually at the top right of the page. Click it to move into the account creation flow. You'll now see multiple ways to create your account. The fastest route is Continue with Google. If you already use Google on this device, this option saves time and automatically links your Patreon to that Google account. Prefer not to use Google? Choose the option to sign up with email instead. If you go the email route, you'll be asked for a valid email address and to create a strong, unique password. Consider using a password manager so you don't reuse passwords, and review the terms and privacy policy before proceeding. If you choose Continue with Google, a small window will appear listing the Google accounts available on your device. Click the account you want to use. If you're not signed in yet, you may be prompted to enter your Google credentials. Always make sure you recognize the login page and that the address bar shows you're on Google's secure domain. After selecting your account, you may see a prompt to grant Patreon the basic permissions needed to create and connect your profile. Review what's being requested, then click Continue to proceed. This confirms your choice and completes the sign-in or sign-up with Google. That's it. You should now land in your new Patreon account. From here, you can explore creators, follow pages you love, or if you're planning to create, start setting up your profile and preferences. As a quick tip, once you're in, consider visiting your account settings later to add extra security, such as two-factor authentication, and to adjust notification and privacy options so the experience fits your needs. You've successfully created your Patreon account. If you followed along step by step, you're ready to browse, support creators, or begin building your own membership. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.